50,000, and that was the target on this particular trade. And I decided to record the video just so I can show you guys what Patrex Pro can do. This was a $50,000 prop. This is a private account, not a pro firm account. This is a private account, and you guys, if you've been following my process, I've been growing this account. I got to almost about $28,000, withdraw almost about 18,000, got back to 10, and I was risking $5,000 on that trade, 50%. Not everyone will have the same risk appetite I have, right? But I can afford to lose that amount. I'm risking. I can afford to lose that $10,000 or that $5,000. So on this trade alone, I was risking $5,000. Yesterday we were up almost about, if I can check those screenshots, let me just quickly check the screenshot just to show you guys. Let me just I documented the whole process. So this was yesterday. As you guys can see, I was up 15,000, and I was just teasing people on my Instagram. I was asking them, saying, should we close at this point in time? Then after, I just laugh and say, no, there's a target I'm watching. So what happened here is, I opened this particular trade, and I only had my stop loss level where, because on Patrex Pro you can actually set the level where you want to say, okay, if I lost this particular amount, let the robot stop working, right? So that was what I said on Patrex Pro. Then take profit, I didn't set anything. I just wanted to use price action to exit the trade. So once I launched Patrex Pro, what happened is, on the trade per signal, which you guys know, I put it was 1, 2, 3. I put 3 trades per signals, and unfortunately, I wanted to put 0.2 lot size, and it was just 2 lot size. When I discovered that it was 2 lot size, I immediately went and stopped the robot from opening many trade. By the time I stopped the robot from opening many trade, the trades per signal, which I put 3, has already pumped in 3 trades, meaning giving me a total of 6 trades. So I had a total of 6 trades up and running. So I said to myself, like, if I don't stop the robot from opening many trades at this point in time, if the market has to go against me, this is where things are going to sour. This is where things are going to go south. So let me instead hold this 1 to this 12 lot and see if I can ride it to hit a particular reasonable amount. That is what I did. Immediately after that, I just let the trade keep running. And after that, we had this particular screenshot again when I was up with $28,000. You can see that's the same account. I was up with $28,000. At this same point, this is what I did. I went on my technicals, price action, and this is where I blocked in profit. If you can see this screenshot very well, let me just show you this. Can you guys see this screenshot? This is where I got into all the trades somewhere here on the screenshot, and pushing right down where you see this particular red line, that's where I already reprogrammed that on the robot to say, okay, if the market has to push back to this particular area, I want to exit the trade, and I just let the trade run. You can see this was yesterday night. I did the analysis and I put this line and I said, okay, there's a high probability that the market is going to be breaking this support to push down. See what has happened. This was before and after. This was before and the after. Can you guys see that? The same thing I predicted. And if the market, so I had 2 options at this point in time. Remember, when you're trading as a profitable trader, you always have to analyze and have 2 options. What if the market goes my way? What if the market doesn't go my way? So I said at this point in time that, okay, at the current market price, which was here yesterday, the current market price was here. I said at this current market price, if this market doesn't go down and continue pushing up, then I want to go out at that red line. So I would have gone out of the trade with maybe about plus $9,000 or $10,000. I wouldn't have cried. I would have still been happy. All right. But now, if the market goes in my way at this point in time, remember, I already had 12 lot size up and running. If the market break this thing and go down, I was targeting about 50. I know the market is going to be pushing to almost about $50,000. And behold, boom, what is happening now? You can see we are sitting on 51,000, almost about $52,000. And if we can go on chart, let's just quickly go on chart. Can you see that? This is what we predicted yesterday, and the market has already pushed to that particular level. Meaning, at this point in time, this is what we have to do. We have to be closing this trade, because as a trader, you need to be able to know when to get into the market and when to get out of the market. If I keep holding this trade, maybe during the this is still the London session. The London session is going to be finishing in about 2 hours, moving to the New York session, and I don't know what is going to happen during the New York session. All right, so I don't want to hold my trades toward the New York session. During the New York session, one thing will happen. If I come on my technicals, if the market has to shoot down during the New York session, then it's going to be crazy because we have fundamentals today. And if it has to shoot up, then it's also going to be crazy and I might be losing all my profit because we have fundamentals today. So I don't want to take that risk. I'm fine, guys. I'm not that greedy. We're going to be closing this particular trade. As you guys know, with the recent update of MT5, you can just close like this and close all the trades. If I go here and I'm closing one by one, since I don't have many trades, I can just close them one by one. But with the recent update of MT5, I already showed you guys. If you didn't watch that video I made about the recent updates of MT5, just click the link above to be able to watch that video. It makes your life easy as a trader. So I already closed the first trade on plus $8,000. Let's just close all these trades in one go. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Let's click here on any trade, go on bulk operation. And are you guys ready for us to close all these trades? 1, 2, 3, go. Can you guys see that? Boom. We're done, guys. We are up with $61,000 on a private account. Remember, I always tell you guys, your main goal trading with a prop firm should be to use it to raise your portfolio in your private account, because your private account is what is gonna stay with you, bro. Your private account is what you're gonna keep 100%. Your private account is what no one is gonna control you. Your private account is what you trade at your own rules at your own time. So that's my private account on $61,000, and at this point in time, I can choose to close all this. I can choose to withdraw all my money, or I can choose to withdraw part and try as much as possible to compound again. So as always, I'm just going to take out like 20,000 to treat myself. Then I'll see if I can continue compounding the account. So you guys have been able to see it firsthand how Patrex Pro can trade on a live account. Most of you guys ask, does this robot only works on a pro firm account or it works? No, this is my live account. You guys saw this same account last week, all right? My IC Market live account. And with this live account, the robot performs perfectly on this particular live account. So if you want to use Patrex Pro, maybe you want to use it on your live account or your pro firm account, check the link below to be able to use Patrex Pro. And when you go to the website, if you have any problem, we have a 24/7 live chat, which if you have any problem, there's always someone on the website you can be able to ask your questions. So check the link on the video description to be able to get Patrex Pro. Check out this video, which is also another video that shows Patrex Pro making about $10,000 on a trade. Check out this playlist, which is all the videos I've programmed for you guys, telling you guys how Patrex Pro works. Click here to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, and I'll see you guys on these other videos. Peace.